I just spent an entire month testing every free AI tool Google has released. I'll be honest, I expected most of them to be mediocre beta experiments. I was completely wrong. 7 of these tools aren't just free. They're actually outperforming paid alternatives that cost $20 to $50 every single month. And some of them, they've already replaced tools in my own tech stack. In this video, I'm going to show you all 7 tools. I'll demonstrate exactly how to use them and reveal which paid subscriptions you can finally cancel today. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, AI Studio Build. You can access this at istudio.google.com. So what does AI Studio Build actually do? It's Google's experimental platform for developers. This thing converts plain English descriptions into fully functional web applications. Here's how to use it. First, navigate to istudio.google.com. Click Build in the left sidebar. Then just enter your idea in plain English. Let me give you an example. You could type something like, build an event registration landing page. Include fields for name, email, ticket type with pricing options, and a payment form. Make the design clean and modern. AI Studio instantly starts planning the structure, writing the code, and building the interface in real time. And look at what it created. A fully functional event registration page with a clean, modern design. Input fields for attendee information. A dedicated pricing page with ticket options. And it generates all the code in real time. The customization is instant. You can make changes by typing instructions like make the button blue, or add a logo, or change the font to Arial. This is perfect for landing pages, client portals, web applications, basically any project that would normally require a developer. And the key advantage? It's completely free, and you don't need to know a single line of code. Tool number 2, Opal. Access this at opal.google. Opal is Google's answer to automation tools like N8N. It builds workflow apps using plain English, creating these node-based systems that connect triggers, actions, and outputs visually. Here's how to use it. Go to opal.google. Click Create New. Then enter your workflow description in the text box. For example, you could type, create a tool where I enter a topic and the AI generates 10 viral YouTube video titles about it. It takes about 20 seconds to process. Then it automatically creates a workflow structure with a visual node-based system showing the data flow. To test the workflow, just click Start, enter a topic like, and you'll receive 10 title variations instantly. This is perfect for client onboarding processes, lead qualification systems, data collection, really any internal workflow automation you can think of. The key advantage here is that you can build sophisticated tools without any complex coding. Tool number 3, NotebookLM Video Overview Feature. Access this at notebooklm.google.com. NotebookLM transforms raw files and research into full explainer videos with AI-generated narration and script. Here's how it works. Create a new notebook or open an existing one. Upload your source materials, things like articles, documents, or guides. Navigate to the Studio tab on the right side. Then find the Video Overview option. Now here's a pro tip. Before generating, click the settings icon and select Custom to add specific instructions. For example, you could write, focus specifically on the budget planning section and emphasize the long-term ROI. Keep the tone professional but engaging. Processing takes just a few minutes depending on how many documents you've uploaded. And here's what you'll get. A multi-minute explainer video with synthesized information from all your uploaded documents. Professional narration. Contextual scripting that actually makes sense. The output quality is honestly impressive. The tool reads through every document, understands the context, and creates a cohesive narrative that sounds natural and engaging, like a real podcast or training video. And again, premium quality video synthesis at absolutely no cost. Tool number 4, Pomelli. To access this, just search Pomelli Google Labs. Pomelli acts as an automated marketing agency. It scans your website and creates branded social media content that matches your style perfectly. Here's how to use it. Enter your website URL. Then let Pomelli analyze your site. It analyzes everything. Your brand colors, down to the exact hex codes. Fonts and typography. Messaging and voice. Visual design structure. Even your copy style. Then it automatically outputs 3 pre-generated campaigns with ready-to-use social posts, correct branding and colors, on-brand copywriting, and multiple format variations. You can also create specific campaigns with custom prompts. For example, create a campaign for a one-day flash sale on my course. You'll get a complete campaign package with multiple social media posts, different format variations, and cohesive, ready-to-schedule content. This is perfect for social media content creation, campaign development, brand-consistent marketing materials, and quick promotional content. Now, one important note. Currently, this is only available in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. But you can use a VPN from one of these countries to access it from anywhere else in the world. The key advantage? Professional, on-brand graphics without any design skills. Tool number 5, Gemini Canvas. This is built right into Google Gemini at gemini.google.com. Gemini Canvas transforms text documents into professional presentations with AI-generated slides and visuals. Here's the process. Go to Google Gemini. Click Tools at the bottom. Select Canvas. Upload your document. This is raw business details. Then give Canvas your instructions. For example, create a presentation from this business plan. Include visuals for each section. Gemini will analyze the document structure, identify key sections, plan the slide layout, generate relevant visuals, and create professional formatting. The output quality is really solid. It restructures the information instead of just copying and pasting. It includes relevant images and graphics, clean visual layout, logically organized slides, presentation-ready format. You can make real-time edits with simple instructions like make slide 3 more visual, or add a comparison chart, or change the color scheme. And when you're done, just click Export to Slides to save it directly to Google Slides for any further editing. This is perfect for turning reports into presentations, free transformation of documents into professional presentations. Tool number 6, Nano Banana Pro. This is built into Google Gemini as well. Nano Banana Pro is Google's image generation model that competes with Midjourney and DALL-E, but it's completely free inside Gemini. Here's how to use it. Open a fresh Gemini chat. Click Tools at the bottom. Select Create Images. Then enter your detailed prompt. For example, generate a product mock-up of a minimalist water bottle with a matte black finish. Show it on a clean white desk next to a laptop and notebook. Professional lighting, commercial photography style. Processing takes about 10 to 20 seconds. The output quality is impressive. Realistic textures and reflections. This is perfect for product mock-ups, pitch deck visuals, marketing assets, or social media graphics. Professional image quality without designer wait times or subscription costs. Tool number 7, Multi-Speaker Audio Generation. This creates studio-quality voice audio with multiple speakers having natural conversations. Here's how to use it. Go to istudio.google.com, click Home in the left sidebar. Open the speech interface. Then choose between single-speaker audio or multi-speaker conversations. Paste your dialogue script. Then add style instructions. For example, keep it high energy and conversational. Speaker A is skeptical and Speaker B is enthusiastic. Select voice profiles from the drop-down if you want. Processing takes about 20 to 30 seconds.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
The output quality is genuinely impressive. Natural-sounding voices. Conversational pacing. When it's done, just click the 3 dots, download the file, and it's ready to use. It competes with platforms like 11 Labs, which costs $20 to $40 a month. But this, studio-quality multi-voice audio without spending a dime. Alright, so you now have access to 7 completely free Google AI tools that compete with paid alternatives. All of these tools are completely free and production-ready. If you want more videos breaking down the best AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch the next video for more free AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching.